Make your first $100 online fast beginner's guide to freelance microtasks and affiliate stacking. What's up, hustlers? It's Moneyplug here, and today we're diving into the world of making money online. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes, because I'm about to show you a legit way to make your first $100 online fast. We're talking about combining the power of freelance microtasks with affiliate marketing, a killer combo that can bring in those early wins. Think about it, you can turn simple skills into cash, all while working from anywhere in the world. Let's get it! Want to make your first $100 online, fast? Okay, so you're ready to make that first $100 online, and you want it fast. This method is all about leveraging two powerful strategies: freelance microtasks and affiliate stacking. Freelance microtasks are basically small, quick jobs that you can do for clients online. Think designing a quick social media graphic, writing a short product description, or even editing a short video. The beauty of it is that you can often complete these tasks in an hour or two. Now here's where it gets even better: affiliate stacking. Imagine getting paid multiple times for the same amount of work. By combining these two strategies, you're essentially creating multiple income streams from a single task. It's a win-win. Step 1. Sign up for Fiverr or Upwork. First things first, you need a platform to showcase your skills and attract clients. Fiverr and Upwork are two of the biggest freelance marketplaces out there, and they're both perfect for beginners. Signing up is free and easy. Just create a profile, highlight your skills, and start browsing for relevant gigs. Focus on offering simple services that are in high demand. Canva graphic design is a great example. Other popular microtasks include ChatGPT prompt generation, editing short-form videos, and removing backgrounds from photos. Once you've identified a few services you're comfortable offering, create gigs on Fiverr or Upwork with clear descriptions and eye-catching visuals. Make sure to highlight your unique selling points and any relevant skills or experience you have. Chapter 3. Step 2. Use free tools to deliver fast. Speed and efficiency are key when it comes to microtasks. Luckily, there are tons of free tools available that can help you streamline your workflow and impress your clients. Canva, as we mentioned earlier, is a lifesaver for graphic design. For video editing, CapCut is a fantastic free option. Need to remove the background from a photo? Check out Remove.bg. And if you're offering writing or editing services, ChatGPT can be your new best friend. This powerful AI tool can help you rewrite text, generate content ideas, and even proofread your work. By leveraging these free tools, you can deliver high-quality work quickly and efficiently. Plus, mastering these tools will make you a more valuable freelancer in the long run. Chapter 4. Step 3. Stack affiliates on top. Now let's talk about the secret sauce of affiliate stacking. This is where you turn one-time clients into recurring income streams. Let's say you're offering Canva templates as one of your microtasks. Instead of just delivering the templates and calling it a day, why not join Canva's affiliate program? Just sign up for their program, grab your unique affiliate link, and include it when you deliver your templates to clients. Now, whenever a client uses your link to sign up for a paid Canva account, you earn a commission. This strategy works with tons of other tools and services too. By stacking affiliates on top of your microtasks, you're essentially creating multiple income streams from a single source. Chapter 5. Step 4. Promote yourself on Reddit, Quora, and Facebook. Okay, you've got your services, you're using awesome tools, and you've stacked those affiliate links. Now it's time to get the word out and attract those first few clients. You can start seeing results with free platforms like Reddit, Quora, and Facebook. The key here is to provide value and build relationships. Don't just spam your links everywhere, nobody likes that. Instead, focus on finding relevant subreddits, Quora spaces, and Facebook groups where your target audience hangs out. Answer questions, offer helpful advice, and be a genuine contributor. Make sure to include your Fiverr or Upwork profile link, or your affiliate links in your bio so people can easily find and hire you. Start your $100 journey today. There you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to making your first $100 online with freelance microtasks and affiliate stacking. Remember, the key is to take action and be consistent. The more you put yourself out there, the more clients and affiliate sales you'll attract. Final tip, turn one happy client into multiple sales. Like this video if you're gonna try it. And subscribe for more fast money methods. Now get out there and start building your online empire.